A record-breaking event is taking place as we speak.
I love this. It involves school kids from around the world learning the one truly international language, coding. And I was lucky enough to meet a few of them. MOONHACK is a global event which sees more than 30,000 children from 39 different countries take part in coding exercises over a 24-hour period. So, Annie, this looks so exciting, but what is coding?
It's a language. It's the language of computers. So if you want to be able to build anything on a computer, you need to learn some of these languages to be able to build the games and the animations and the things that we use every day on our phones, whether it's an app, a website, all of that is built with code.
Coding will be required knowledge for 70% of our future jobs, and Code Club Australia, who run this event, have made it their mission to give every child a chance to learn it.
Learning to code is just the language of the future, and for them to be able to understand how things work so that if they choose to have a career in coding and programming, great. If they don't, they still need to understand the basics of how things interact with each other. So whatever job they do in the future, they will still need to have some basic level of knowledge around how things work, and coding is part of that.
Schools around Australia took part yesterday, with Telstra hosting 2 events in Melbourne and Sydney.
Kids love it because they love using technology and they love to be able to code and problem solve, so it helps them develop and become very confident.
How much fun is this?
It is real fun.
Why?
Well, we take time out of our class to actually do something that we haven't done before, and it's learning experiences.
Ahmed, what are you doing here? What are you coding?
I'm coding myself. I'm here and I ported myself into Scratch. I'm making it so when he's on the Earth, he doesn't have a helmet, and when he's on space in the moon, he has a helmet.
Wow. Are you recruiting any here, just out of interest? Have you got your eye on anyone here?
Well, look, I would take all of them, to be honest.
Who's going to be the next Bill Gates? Oh, that's probably... Oh, you know who Bill Gates is?
No.
Running as part of Science Week, MOONHACK is challenging kids to code games and animations about space. A shark on the moon? Who put a shark on the moon?
Me. When you're on the moon, you jump this high,
yeah.
But when you're on the Earth, you jump like that.
Oh, because of gravity. Gee, that's smart. Code Club Australia has grown from a small pilot program in Western Sydney to almost 2,000 schools nationally, and 1 TV presenter. So do I become an official MOONHACKer?
If you want.
Okay, I'll put it here.
It's upside down.
Oh. All right then, and I'll salute.
Kids are using this skill to, create their own websites and create their own animations and pictures that they can share with their friends and their family. Or it could potentially become something that becomes part of the International Space Station.
Who loves coding?
Me!
For these kids, the sky really is the limit.